gotta get ready. Oh no.
Well, welcome back to the Qadash Farms channel. This is Big John, and today we are cleaning up the driveway. We are preparing for the in-laws to visit. And if it's important to you, like it's important to me, you always want to present your best. Even after 20 some odd years of marriage, it's still important that you make and present your best impression to your in-laws. So come along with me as I try to clean up this driveway from the highway to the house, preparing for the in-laws to visit. This may be a multi-part video, so stay tuned to see all the wonderful transformations. So let's start the video out. Let's get rid of some of these suckers at the bottom of my crepe myrtles. I got my loppers out, just trying to prune back, drop some of these suckers, trying to, think that I thought this was the best way, but as you'll see in this video, bending over with these loppers in 90-degree heat, it didn't last. Yeah, boy, it's time to get the weed eater out. Hey y'all, I like my back. I don't want to be soaking in tubs. I don't want people to have to massage and rub on me. Hey, it's time to get the weed eater out and attack these suckers the real way. Listen, out here on the farm, you need to dispatch weeds, bushes, suckers in the fastest way possible. And all you have to do is get out the weed eater, and it's gonna make light work of all your troubles. Do you hear me? Listen, I really lost count, but I think there's 8 crepe myrtles on both sides of the driveway. I mean, it could be 12 on each side. I'm not sure, but it's a lot of trees to try to prune with a little lopper. Listen, I love my in-laws, but I don't want to be out here all evening in 90-degree heat. I almost passed out. I was out here more than an hour, and tree by tree, sucker by sucker, I was able to knock them out and get inside into the AC with minimal damage. Hey, minimal damage, good clean work. That's what it's all about. This is the time of the year you really got to worry about your health. You really got to stay hydrated. You got to make sure you're picking the right times of day to get outside and work, especially when you have more than 1 acre of land that you have to manage, right? So it's a multi-day process. You got to pick the right times of day. You're fighting the rain, right? You got to get it done before the rain, because once the ground gets wet out in the country, you're not going to be able to mow. It's going to be hard to weed eat. So you really want to pick your battles. So we got the trees cleared around the bottom. We got to come back and mow, and we got to get closer to the highway. Look at that entry. We've done a good job. We're not done yet. Stay tuned for the next videos.
You gotta get ready.